In a previous video, I showed you some of the gadgets I use in my office. Now this is the second part of that particular video of the gadgets I use in my office. Now, I mentioned that I ordered a camera, and that's what I'm unboxing for you today to show you. So I got ZV-E10, Sony ZV-E10, and yeah, so this is it. I actually got a memory card, 64 gig memory card. I think I got it for 24k. So another things, these are rubbish manual and documents I usually come with. Then the receipt. If you can guess how much I got this camera, I might have a gift for you, so you can drop your comments. So what should I show you first? Before I show you the main camera, here is what you can use to carry it, right? Then so this is for cleaning the lens, right? Cleaning the camera. Then I have the battery here, the charger, and the charger, the C type cord for charging and for transferring files. So now this is the main thing. Close your eyes, then you can open your eyes. Now this is the main thing, Sony ZV-E10. It's a 4K camera, it shoots up to 4K, and yeah, it's a mirrorless camera. Then so this is it. Now let's couple it together and I'll show you something. I got this lens with it because the lens that usually come with it is the kit lens, which we not actually do. I made a deal with the person that okay, instead of giving me the kit lens, I would prefer the f1.8 lens, which is 50mm, and yeah, so even the lens comes with a lot of manual. So okay, don't worry, I'll have this one later. Yeah, this. Sorry. It's like my village people has followed me here. They don't want me to be able to couple it. That's it. Speaking of the battery, here, then the memory disk. Clip it. Yeah, that's switch it on, and let me try to capture something. Alright, so that is it, and Let me know what you think about this camera. I'll probably show you some of the pics I took on the screen. Now, another thing I want to show you, okay, I just got that recently, is my headphone, which is, I use it for both the microphone and the headphone. So I use it basically if I want to live stream, so that I'll be able to, probably I'm on the podcast, I'll be able to hear what someone is saying on my also be able to. So that's what I use it for. And that is it. Whenever I get new gadgets in my office, I will definitely let you know, just to show you the things I use in my office. So thank you, and I'll see you in another video. I want you to please subscribe to this channel, and share this particular video to somebody that is probably a content creator or planning a YouTube channel, right? Thank you, and make sure you follow me on all social platforms.